Okay, here we have Diane that came to us with some bilateral knee pain 8 months ago and had some laser guided stem cell therapy. She filled out her questionnaire here, and it does ask overall, what is your percentage of improvement do you feel that you have made so far? What's your percentage that you state?
75%.
Oh, that's amazing. So you're really on track, because we do require at least expected 10% improvement a month. So you're about 5% off, but you're doing well. Can you explain to some of us how you were before, like the activities you were unable to do before that you were able to do now?
Why, I love gardening, and gardening was getting very hard and very painful. I couldn't even get on my knees to transplant plants, and my bowling scores average was going down because it was so painful to bowl, and just getting up out of a chair or walking was just a constant pain. Even laying in bed at night was painful, and doctor said I needed a knee transplant, and I'm afraid of surgery. I didn't want to be put under because of the Alzheimer's history in my family. And I heard your commercial on the radio and called and made the consultation appointment, and Dr. you basically said, your health is in your hands. You have to make that decision. And to me, I've made the best decision I've ever made, because it's been amazing. I can get up out of a chair without holding on.
Nice.
My bowling average went back up, although we've been off for the summer. It might go down because I haven't bowled, but I feel so much better, and I'm sleeping better. I don't have the pain at night. I haven't been for 2 months, and just this past weekend, I started experiencing a deep twinge of pain. So I thought, well, I'm going Tuesday, I'll get a treatment. So we'll see how that goes. And hopefully it does fine. But this last 2 months, I've been doing my gardening, doing everything as normal. I can, walk across the room without holding on to the table as I'm going, because the pain was so bad. But
can you mimic a little bit of how it was to get up out of the chair, or before you came to us and had the laser?
I would literally be like pushing myself up slowly, and then I would sometimes have to grab something because it was my right knee, and I would be afraid to take my first step without holding on to something because it was so painful. It was a feeling of giving out, So, but now I can get up and down and no problems.
Amazing. All right. Well, thank you, Diane. We're going to do a follow-up here in 4 months. It'll be your 1-year follow-up, but we will do some treatments in the meantime to keep stimulating the stem cells so you can continue to have the healing and able to continue your gardening. Thank you.
Thank you.